Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up automated emails in Wix. This is an incredibly useful feature for anyone running an online store or business, as it helps you recover lost sales and keep customers engaged without having to manually send emails every single time. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Automations. This section is where all the magic happens when it comes to setting up workflows that run automatically in the background for you. After clicking on Automations, you'll be directed to Wix's Automation dashboard. This is your control center for managing all automated tasks. Now look toward the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find a button labeled Plus Create Automation. Go ahead and click on that button. This is where you'll start building your automated email sequence. A Create Automation window will appear on your screen. By default, you'll be shown the popular automation templates that Wix offers. These are pre-built workflows designed for common business scenarios. From this section, click on Sell More Online. This category contains automations specifically designed to help boost your sales and conversions. For the purpose of sending automated emails, we're going to use a template called Invite Customer Back via email. This particular automation is designed to send an email to customers who placed an order but didn't finish checking out, which is a common scenario in online stores. Once you've located this template, click on the Setup button. This will take you directly to the email automation page where you can customize everything. Under the email automation page, you'll notice that you can adjust the wait time before the email is sent out. This is important because you might want to give customers a few hours or even a day before reminding them about their abandoned cart. Click on the wait time setting and a left side menu will appear, allowing you to customize the timing to fit your business needs. Now, let's start customizing the actual email. Click on the Send an Email action. By default, the template includes an email that mentions a new offer. If you wish to send a different message, click on More Actions and a small selection window will appear. From here, select Replace Email, then click Replace Email again on the small window that pops up. If you want to compose your own email from scratch, simply click on the Replace and Edit button. You'll now be directed to the email composition screen. This is where you can write the exact email you wish to deliver to your customers. Take your time here to craft a compelling message that encourages them to complete their purchase. Once you're done writing, click Save and Continue. Now that the email has been fully customized to your liking, it's time to make it live. Simply click on Activate on the top right part of your screen to launch this automation. Once activated, this workflow will automatically send an email to every customer who didn't finish their purchase, helping you recover potentially lost sales without any manual effort. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an automated email system in Wix that works around the clock to bring customers back to complete their orders. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.